Find breakers and fuses fast and safely. Ideal 61-532 Circuit Breaker Finder makes locating breakers in live AC circuits quick and easy. No need to interrupt the power supply to the building. Step 1. Simply plug the transmitter into an outlet and the red LED light will illuminate if power is present. Step 2. Go to the circuit breaker panel box and turn on the receiver. The red LED light will illuminate and the tester will beep once. Place the flat surface of the tapered end of the receiver directly onto the outer edge of the circuit breaker. Complete one full first pass around each breaker in the panel, allowing the receiver to determine the strongest signal. You will hear multiple beeps and the red light will flash on several breakers. Step 3. Complete one full second pass around each breaker in the panel, allowing the receiver to identify the breaker protecting the circuit. You will hear a continuous beep and the LED light will go out, indicating the correct breaker. On the second pass, the receiver will only beep and turn off the red LED on one breaker. Sold separately, the TL-532A adapter kit allows the transmitter to be clipped to exposed wires in electrical fixtures or allows the transmitter to be screwed into a standard light bulb socket. Ideal 61-532 Circuit Breaker Finder enables safer and more reliable working by taking the guesswork out of circuit identification. Thanks for watching, folks. Please read and fully understand the instruction manual before using this tester. Hey, I'm Ron with Ideal. I'll see you on the next one.